you're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Father Fabio Attard elected 11th Rector Major of the Salesians of Don Bosco. 8 entrepreneurs with disabilities honored Yes to Access app launched. Meghalaya High Court appoints committee to investigate illegal coal mining. And Nongstoin residents protest over unexplained electricity bill increase. And now the news in detail. The 29th General Chapter of the Salesians of Don Bosco has elected Father Fabio Attard as the 11th successor of Don Bosco and a new Rector Major of the Salesian. Father Attard was chosen by 220 delegates representing various provinces who gathered at the Salesian headquarters in Valdocco, Turin. As the new leader, Father Attard is tasked with guiding the Salesian family in its mission to serve young people, particularly the poor and marginalized, in 136 countries worldwide. His election marks a new chapter in the Salesians' ongoing commitment to education, faith and social justice, continuing Don Bosco's legacy. On 25th March, the Office of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities and the State Resource Center for Disabilities Affairs honored 8 entrepreneurs with disabilities who have benefited from the PRIME scheme of the state government. The ceremony celebrated their achievements and contributions to society, showcasing the positive impact of government support for people with disabilities. The event was graced by the Minister of Social Welfare, Bapo Lungdo, who served as the chief guest, and Director of Social Welfare, Camelia Doreen Lingwa, who also attended the event. In a significant move to further assist people with disabilities, the government launched a new app, Yes to Access, aimed at improving travel accessibility for individuals with disabilities.
You can zoom in. You are using DSLR, zoom in.
Okay, so actually here is an app that is Yes to Access app. The Yes to Access. The S to Access app is like that. And those who will be enrolled, and after that the social audit will be start from here like this. You can start audit. After that the location will be come directly through GPRS. And we will write here what is the name of the place. The name of place is the art and culture. So I will be write here. Type here. Art and culture auditorium. It is already coming here. Department. Okay. So it will be selected. And then additional commerce. The location of the type. Which type of building is this? Like a residential and health office or the office building. Okay, then start audit. It will be do it like this. It is loading. Yes to access. Yes to access. Yeah. Now the parking area. The parking area, it means the art and culture department parking area. So 4 things will be here: the parking, textiles, proximity, and clear signage. It will become like that. It will come like that. Like if we are going for audit, parking area, parking space, it will become like that. One camera will be here. We'll click here. Then we can go through the parking. Please, this is parking area. And we will click a photo. Like that. The photo is coming. Like confirm. After that it will come. There is a parking space? Yes or no? Yes, parking space is here. And after that, submit this one. Yeah. See, it will be loading? Yes. Now parking space is clear. Like this, there is a parking. After that, there is a approach area, and then entrance door. And after that, there is the internal routes, and then toilet. After finishing all, we need to be submit complete. And when we will submit, there is a point for this particular building. Okay, and audit is complete. And this report is directly submitted to the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Okay, so very good app is this, and through this app we can move anywhere without any expense. We can do the social audit clearly.
The Meghalaya High Court has appointed a committee led by retired Justice BP Katake to investigate illegal coal mining in the state following the National Green Tribunal's NGT ban on coal mining. The committee will convene a meeting on March 25th to discuss a report received on March 19 regarding an aerial survey conducted to estimate coal reservoirs.
This proceeding rather was for having the discussion on the various steps taken for implementation of NGT's order as well as the Supreme Court order, and also various orders passed by the Honorable High Court, because High Court has also passed certain orders from time to time. I had two meetings. Yesterday also I had a meeting with Garoda people who were entrusted with the job of conducting the aerial survey. And that aerial survey was in respect of around 730 or 40 square kilometer. And the area identified was on the basis of the coordinates of the inventoried coal earlier found within 1 kilometer radius, therefore. So therefore, though the 4 districts that survey was conducted, the area-wise, the square meter in terms of square kilometer is a huge area in every district. But we concentrated only around little over 700 square kilometer. And that report has been submitted. That report says that was the whole purpose was to find out whether there was any other coal other than the inventorized coal, which has already been shifted to the CIL designated depot and seized under the MMDR Act. According to the report, in 4 districts, that is East Jaintia, Southwest Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, and South Garo Hills district, they found little over 1.92 lakh metric ton of coal other than the inventory coal. I have asked them to furnish certain.
Residents of Nongstoin gathered at the MEPDCL Nongstoin office after receiving letters demanding payment for electricity bills. The bills reportedly surged to about 1 lakh, with no clear explanation provided regarding the billing period. The lack of transparency has left the community frustrated. The HNYM West Khasi Hills district, led by President Ba Thailand Lingkhoi, has launched an investigation into the matter. Ba Thailand stated that the office management has failed to provide clarification and has blamed the issue on higher authorities. Residents are seeking answers and resolution for the unexplained and excessive charges.
Shillong, ya kasan po hajar, andru po hajar, kanyo po hajar kum ta terter. Henry, kajingwan nakaliang kashti nakaliang office kalong ba. Kinwan be direct na ka outstanding bill, direct tang na ka bill. Ba kisutho be tang na ka bill. Don kanu ka detail na du menu usnem ba kisa bill bat hadu menu usnem ba kim pat siu ke bill light bat plus nadu basdang bat hadu bakut namta ke interest judon ke jing pensai ru namta barok kini kinong Shillong kilong pa kilong kemi ki bawan hang ne temen ki bawan nak kendong kan surat ndai kaji lengo naki kilong kepat yang nak kalian kaseng ba hadin bangilaon mi na SDO ba SDO lakular ba don bor nomar kadai Khubor ka ba halor naga sorkar ba kajing jenjar pai ba kalong kumno unla ban siu be kawan be direct tang naga outstanding bill taki khandai pho bat prapo bat khandai pho jar don detail bat halor kata kan don ru ki kentin ba nakaliang kan ka sti ken berngem ba lada umla ban siu ken don ka supply kut khandai point lai bracket chpo jong ka MSERC lem kum ta ka office kam pha ban IT no ya kan ne ka kam ha ka bor jong ka an ten nakaliang ki ba baro kila don ke jing scouting nam ta kan ne ka belaj namar balai halor ke jing one direct outstanding bill klem don detail bat hadin kata plus hapo kendon ke jing berngem ba kinle da ka bor jong ka ai
kam sungulungo susu kalong ba nalor ba kine ki siti ki bala pha kumba la pensai i general secretary jongi menesha khmat te ka balongo isu kalong ba ki don ki pajba jongi napo ka west kasil district ba hakine ki Shillong ki thau ki ba jan hapo ka noston ki ba jusiu ru man u bana ya ka bilaj ki dawan ra ru menta ringkat bat ngi kaseng ngilayo ban keren ru bat u SDO ngila pen i ru ikibil ki ba siu man ka banai kataru kidang poi kini kisti ba kasak karam jongki da ki pau hajar nalor ba ki tho hakane ka siti ba la sa da ki ram da ki pau hajar plus ka details kam don te kumno upaj ba unwan siu kane ka pisa nalor ba ki penbiang ya ka bilaj man ka banai ka siti ka poi haki bat ka berngem berset te kane kalong ka ka penting yang ikum ki paj ba jongka west kasil district hibro ka wei de plus ka wei ru ka ba khamsung long syu kalong ba ki don kilong yeng ru ki ba katu katne ki ba kimpatan watang ya kalajru kasi thiru haki ka poi te hato nakaliang jung ka office trikam hakono kadur ka office ngila bu khanang labu ka sarkar ka labu khanang ya ka office trikam hangne po ka noston west kasil district ban pe ka ba kamiat ban pe ki junod don kam jung ki paj babun om baban syu pha ki thi klumar kumne pha thi klumar kumne hato uta bam padon yeng ru hapsiu bailaj uba siuman ka banai ru hapsiu syu te ka jing trikam kum kane te habe dei bat kane ka kam na kaliang jungi kum kaseng ibu ka jing kerpat lada dei Khubor bahalor ru basu ba ban pejbiang sasisen yakine ki sithi ki ba pilap.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.